Hey there, it's Brittany. I'm back with an unboxing video, really fast one. I purchased some items from an artist on Facebook, and her name is Tanya McGuire, and I wanted to show you what I got. She does glass beads. So we'll see. I got 3 different items. So I think these are going to be the little flower pairs. Yeah, that's what these are. Of course, I got turquoise and red. They're so cute. They're like little doodle flowers. So adorable. Much cuter in person than in the photos, and they were really cute in the photos. I think these were $6 a pair. I can't wait to use them. I don't know how the heck I'm going to use them. I'm going to hoard them for a little while. You guys know me. So those were the little flower pairs. This is a small poppy pair, and for the 2 of them it was $9 at the time she sold them to me. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Oh goodness, those are really pretty. They're green and like turquoise, and the glass isn't completely clear. It's got like a little green tint to it, but that might be because it's around a green center. Not entirely sure. And then the last one is a large poppy, and it was $8, and I got it to match the small poppy pair. So it's just a large version of those 2 small guys. So aren't these gorgeous? I want to use them all in one necklace because you guys know I don't wear earrings, so I can't waste something this beautiful on earrings that I would give or sell away. Quick update. My dog Goldie had a seizure 2 days ago, and it scared the bejesus out of me, and I had to take her to the emergency vet, and then we went to the regular vet yesterday. They don't know really what's happening with her, but it was the scariest thing I've ever seen in my life. So I will keep you guys updated. I'm going to include a really cute video of Goldie, but she's so tired. She's still really tired. 2 days later. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please check out Tanya. I'll leave her information below once I contact her, see if I can include that information. Have a good weekend. The guys are still working on my house. I've learned throughout this process 3 days doesn't mean 3 days when it comes to contractors. So anyway, have a good weekend. I hope everything's all right with you guys. Bye-bye. Miss Goldie is resting because she had a seizure yesterday. She's been to 2 doctors since then. How are you feeling? You just tired? Yeah. Oh, we want a tummy rub? Yeah. We had a rough day yesterday, didn't we, babe? Say hi, everybody.